Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this pet corrector spray. It says OCKCED dog corrector spray. And my dog's been driving me crazy with peeing on the floor and some other stuff. And oh my gosh, she's horrible. And so I got this spray. Let's see what it looks like here. So let's see, we've got some instructions and things on here. It looks like you're gonna spray it like you spray a fire extinguisher concept or something. And then this is, it's like got a ball inside of it. Like a, look at candle. Oops, the top just fell off. Let me go grab it. But this is it here. It's an aerosol can, and the top does fit on it correctly. And you can just spray it like that, and it'll spray it and keep the dog away. Let's give this a try because my little dog's been a little pain in the butt. Penny. There you go. So that's going to get rid of her. Didn't really scare her too much. I think it just didn't spray the stuff. Oh, I smell it now. Oh, yeah. There we go. She didn't like that now. I think it took a second for the smell to come out through it. But there we go. So now she'll stay out of this room maybe. But there we go. I like it. Pet corrector spray. Thumbs up.